Gemini 3 just got released 5 minutes ago. I was about to go on a date, but she's gonna have to wait until I make this video. Hopefully I don't get dumped. And it's number 1 on LM Arena. I just made a video today that Grok finally beat 2.5 Pro, but now 3 beats Grok again. On RKGI 2, it absolutely wipes the floor with all of the other models. My first prompt will be, tell me hard truths about life no one wants to believe. Society does not care about your good intentions, your potential, your inner thoughts. The world judges you based on what you can provide. Adults are generally loved conditionally based on what they bring to the table: security, humor, emotional support, money. There is no future moment where everything magically falls into place. There is no mentor who will discover your hidden genius, and no partner who will fix your trauma. Fairness is a human invention, not a law of the universe. Your potential is meaningless. Gemini goes hard here. Looks and money matter immensely. Attractive people are perceived as smarter, kinder, and more trustworthy. Wealthy people are given second chances that poor people are not. By the way, check out Beam AI to automate your business operations with AI agents without any technical skills or coding required. Anybody can use this link below. I tried to ask it a trick question. If I'm baking 3 cubes of ice on 200 degrees Celsius and I add another 2, how many cubes of ice are there in 15 minutes? So the trick is that ice would melt. And in its thinking process, it realized that considering the high temperature, it's clear the initial ice will instantly become steam. So it understands that there will be just water or steam at the end. Then I asked it, act as a CEO of a new AI research startup that is building LLMs, create a 2-year plan from scratch. So it's gonna be called Nexus AI, and the era of bigger is better AI is ending. We are entering a crowded arena against giants, OpenAI, Anthropic, Meta. We cannot outspend them, so we must out-optimize them. So first 0 to 6 months, we are building the founding 15, the Navy SEALs of ML research. So it's actually focusing on the company development, but I want AI research plan, like actual, what are we gonna be researching? Rope, muon optimizer, LM, transformers, attention, etc. I think the plan does include the latest techniques and technologies and methods, but I don't think there is anything innovative here. Maybe I should be more specific, but let's go on to the next test. It actually generates pretty quickly. I feel like this is faster than 2.5 Pro. I told it to generate Pelican on a bicycle SVG, and it actually looks a lot better than I expected. It looks very good. PlayStation controller SVG image also looks very good. Then I told it to make this website, and it actually looks pretty nice. I'm gonna scroll. Let's make it bigger. I like these animations though. I told it to make the website bigger. Now I think I cannot show you in like bigger format. This is all we can work with for now. So the buttons look very nice. I like all of this stuff. It looks pretty cool, but this is actually huge. There is so much to scroll. And this is SVG bug. It also looks cool. I just released a full AI researcher course, 3 hours to become AI researcher from scratch. Math, Python, PyTorch, transformers, attention, neural networks. So I am in extreme hurry right now, guys. So see you in the next video.